Very good morning, students. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. So, students, yesterday we have complete exercise. Chapter number 6. Chapter number 5. So, students, multiplication. Now, chapter number 5 is multiplication. So, we have done chapter number 5. Now, chapter number 6 we will do later. So, we will cut this chapter now. अभी आप इस चैप्टर को छोड़ दीजिए. We will do this chapter later. बाद में करेंगे हम इस चैप्टर को. Now, today I am going to start chapter number 7, division. So, students, today I explain you that how we solve the sums of division. So, in multiplication, so students, you have done the word problems of multiplications. So, in multiplication, there is the cost of 1 unit given cost of 1 unit. And now we will find out the cost of the required units. Now, in division there is opposite of the multiplication. Multiplication में क्या होता है बेटे? 1 यूनिट की कॉस्ट दी होती है और हमको मोर देन 1 की फाइंड आउट करनी होती है. Suppose the cost of 1 pencil is 10 rupees. So what is the cost of 5 pencil? So 5 tens are 50 rupees. But in division sums, so there फाइंड इसमें हमको क्या करना होता है बेटा? वी फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ ओनली गिवन यूनिट्स की कॉस्ट होती है. इसमें मोर देन 1 यूनिट की कॉस्ट बता रखी होती है एंड वी विल फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ ओनली 1 यूनिट. हमें 1 यूनिट की कॉस्ट फाइंड आउट करनी होती है. जैसे सपोज आपका क्वेश्चन है द कॉस्ट ऑफ 5 पेंसिल इज ₹50. सो व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 पेंसिल? तो सो गिवन कॉस्ट क्या है हमारी? 5 पेंसिल की कॉस्ट है ₹50. तो व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 पेंसिल? देन वी विल डू डिवाइड. जहां पर ज्यादा की कॉस्ट बता रखी है और कम 1 की कॉस्ट पूछी जाती है, देन वी विल डू डिवाइड. ओके बेटा? नाउ वी स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 7A. Exercise 7A. So students, you will do this exercise in the book. आप इसको बुक में ही करेंगे. Don't write in the notebook. So if you have no book, then you will send the PDF of the page of this exercise. Then you will do these sums in your notebook. वो बच्चे सिर्फ notebook में करेंगे जिनके पास बुक नहीं है. Rest all the students will do these problem sums in the book. So देखो, first is बेटा, there are 8 bananas. Look here, there are 8 bananas. How many bananas? 8 bananas. Look here. Now students, these are 8 bananas. I draw the picture of bananas on the blackboard. You can't draw, you will not draw. आप नहीं इनको draw करेंगे because these pictures are already mentioned in your book. ये pictures आपकी book में बनी हुई हैं. So I have explained you in one example. Now, so students, there are 8 bananas, 4 monkeys. 4 monkeys share these bananas equally. Share these bananas equally. Each monkey gets dash bananas. Now this is the sum. There are 8 bananas. Count these bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, beta? Then 4 monkeys share these bananas equally. How many monkeys? 4 monkeys. 4 monkeys monkeys ने इन बनानास को इक्वली शेयर कर लिया, यानी इक्वल शेयर करा तो 4 monkeys को कितने बनानास मिले? 2 2 2 2। एक एक मंकी को कितना बनाना मिला? हाउ मेनी बनानास गेट ईच मंकी? 2 बनानास। 2 फर्स्ट मंकी ने 2 बनानास ले लिए, सेकंड ने 2 ले लिए, थर्ड ने ले लिए और फोर्थ वाले मंकी ने 2 बनानास ले लिए। नाउ 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 = 8। So each monkeys get, so how many total bananas? सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे total bananas divide by how many monkeys? 4 monkeys is equal to 8 comes in the table of 4 how many times? 4 2 ja 8. So our answer is 8. So each monkey gets 2 bananas. We write these numbers in the sum. इसको हम सम के अंदर लिखेंगे। We make the sum of these digits. इन digits का हम सम बनाएंगे। Total bananas 8. So monkeys कितने? Divide by 4 monkeys. 8 bananas divide by 4 monkeys. 4 monkeys में equally divide हो गए. So each monkey gets how many bananas? 2 bananas. Now 8 comes in the table of 4. How many times? 2 times. 4 2 ja 8. So students, in this way we will do all the sums of this exercise. So write the answer in this. Each monkey gets क्या क्या आप डैश में लिख लीजिए 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2 bananas. Write down बेटा. Now beta sum number 2 is there are 10 pencils. How many pencils? 10 pencils. These are put equally in 2 boxes. ये 2 boxes हैं, इनमें equally इनको रख दिया 10 pencils को. So each boxes has, तो how many pencils in one box? So total pencils are 10. 10 pencils put equally in how many boxes? 2 boxes. So 10 boxes, 2 boxes. So now there are 10 pencils. These are put equally in how many boxes? 2 boxes. So each box has how many pencils? So beta 10 divided by 2 is equal to how many times 10 comes in the table of 2? 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So each box has 5 pencils. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So students write down answer number 2. Now 3 beta, there are 20 stickers. Now see the picture of the sticker in the book. There are 20 stickers. They are put equally on 5 books. So write down there are 20 stickers. These are put equally on 5 books. These are put equally on 5 books. Each book has dash stickers. Each book has dash stickers. Now see the stickers in the book beta. There are 20 stickers. Count all the stickers. 5 plus 1 2 3 4 5 10 15. बेटे यहाँ तो 20 नहीं है तो 25 है. राइट मिस्टेक ये देखिए. There are 5 10 15 20. बेटे ये 25 है बुक में. या तो आप 1 लाइन स्टिकर की कट कर दीजिए. 1 लाइन you will cut 1 line. So then there are ये बेटे 25 books हैं. No. This sum is wrong बेटे. There are 20 stickers here. There are 25 stickers हैं. Because count these stickers 5 10 15 20 25. आप यहाँ पर 25 कर लीजिए. 20 की प्लेस पर you will write down 2 5. 0 को कट करके 5 कर लीजिए. So these are put equally इक्वली जो है बराबर बराबर 5 स्टिकर्स 5 बुक्स के ऊपर पेस्ट कर दिए हैं. सो ईच बुक हैज हाउ मेनी स्टिकर्स? तो एक बुक में कितने स्टिकर्स आ रहे हैं? 1 2 3 4 5. सो आवर आंसर इज हाउ टोटल स्टिकर्स 25. These are put equally on how many books? 5 books. So each book has how many stickers? Now 25 comes in the table of 5. How many times? 5 5s are 20. So each book has 5 stickers. बेटे यहाँ पर आप इसको सबको ठीक कीजिए. This is wrong. Now stickers 20 की प्लेस पर आप इसको 25 कर लीजिए और आपका आंसर यहाँ पर 5 आएगा, not 4. Okay? So 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. So students write down question number 2 and 3. Now students write down question number 4. Question number 4 is there are 12 butterflies. See in the book, it is these are 12 butterflies 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. These are arranged equally in 3 groups. Now these butterflies are arranged in 3 groups. 1 group, 2 group and 3 group. So each group has dash butterflies. So how many butterflies in each group? So total butterflies are 12. Now these butterflies arranged equally in how many groups? 3 groups. There are 3 groups of butterflies. So and total butterflies in 3 groups are 12. So how many butterflies are there in one group? तो one group में कितनी butterfly होगी? So 12 comes in the table of 3. So how many times 12 comes in the table of 3? 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. So each group has 4 butterflies. Count कीजिए आप, देखिए 1 2 3 4. So each group has 4 butterflies. So students, we have done sum number 1 2 3 4 of exercise 7a in the book. Now your homework is sum number 5 6 7 and 8 of exercise 7a in your book. You will do these sums in your book, not in the notebook. Okay beta? So this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.